It's really hard to tell, but it's set on settings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if you want to change to the temperature, this one here, and set this temperature, oops, yeah, there we go. If you want to set this temperature, you hold this gear icon. Oh, hold it again. Now you can set the temperature. So I'm going to set mine to 14 now. I'm going to hold the gear icon. Once it's set there, now you can go down to the temperature setting. When the inside of the house or the van reaches 14 degrees, it will turn down the heater automatically. And then when a temperature drops, it will turn the heater up. But it won't turn the heater off. So that's a quick little use on how to use that.